I am Cornelius. How to develop your leadership quality? Leadership is very important in these days. Leaders have to manage everything in the society. They have to become the leader of a nation, to a organizations, even several other organizations and other societies. So, these leadership qualities you have to develop by repetition. You have to be a good leader. You have to learn what your heart say. Your heart always tell you what you have to do. So, you have to obey your heart first. So, normally, leaders have a vision. Leaders, normally, they try to travel in a well-structured order. You have to think differently nowadays. You have to travel in a different path and do wonderful thing to the people, to the nation, whatever you lead in this world. So, and always your heart tell you what you have to do in your life. Automatically it comes. You have to obey that. So, think deeply on this. Leaders always have a vision. They have to try to do whatever thing, whatever responsibility they take, they have to do it differently. Then only he can be a successful leader. He has to develop his relationship with all the people and be a good leader and try to advise his subordinate in a different ways and carry out their duties. Secondly, leaders have to maintain their relationships. The relationship, what I say is, first you have to get the blessing of your old parents, old grandparents, and also keep it in mind. You pray to God. Then only you can happily do the service and you can live happy. Also, you develop your relationship with your family, friends in the society. Then only you can live happier and healthier and also can live long. According to the studies, certified studies, these relationships not only help the body to live happier and healthier, it protects your brain. So, keep the relationship first. Then only you can be a healthy leader, strong leader. You can take any decision without any problem. So, always keep it in mind these things. Also, you have to know how to manage success and failure. You know, we always get success, failure, but we can't say we will achieve everything, get success always. No, you have to meet several failures. You have to fail down, get up. You fell down, get up. Fell down, get up. You fail the exam. Don't give up. Try again. Then only you can be a good leader. You can develop as a strong leader. You have to get up always. Your mind say what you wanted to do. Follow that. Believe in God. Make your parents, all parents happy. So you must have a good relation with your family and live a happy life. Then only you can happily develop your leadership quality. So leaders has to manage everything. They have to manage success and failure. You know, I wanted to tell you a story about how to meet success and failure. In 1997, India started a space program and appointed Abdul Kalam as a project director. In 1979, they wanted to send a satellite and put it in the orbit. So Abdul Kalam was provided with everything. Human resources and finance, all the facilities were given to him. And highly qualified people, scientists, all were there. So in 1979, they launched the satellite, launched a rocket to put the satellite in the orbit. You know what happened? While it was going, the computer put a stop. Computer could not start. So Abdul Kalam didn't get upset. He has advisors. There are 5-6 advisors always with them. He immediately consulted the advisors. Advisor told everything is okay, fuel is there, so you need not worry. Then Abdul Kalam took a decision. He operated the computer manually. He did himself with the advice of his scientist and launched the rocket. On the way, instead of going to orbit, it fell into Bay of Bengal. So it was a great failure. So all reporters came. So press conference to be conducted. All the nation were upset. Billions of rupees spent. So you know what happened? In the leader, chairman of this project, Mr. Rajesh came and he went to the press conference and told, we write our level base to put the orbit, satellite in the orbit. However, it failed. Our team will success in next year and we had to give full support to our team. And he went. In 1980, we put the satellite in the orbit successfully. The nation was thrilled, praised. They arranged a press conference. All reporters came, all the people are happy. So you know what happened? The chairman came and asked Abdul Kalam to conduct the press conference. So what you learn from that, Abdul Kalam attended the press conference. What happened? When the failure came, the chairman got the responsibility. When the success came, he gave to the fame to his subordinate. This is the new management. You can't study in the book. So leaders to behave and meet success and failures like this. This is a new theory. When success comes, the leader give it that praise to his subordinate. So we have to learn from this. So whenever we fell down, we had to get up We never leave that. So these are the things we have to develop in our leadership development. Leaders have to always be honest. They have to be transparency to all the people. Whatever they do, integrity is very important. Whatever you do, whatever finance you spend, there must be all the people have to see what is the expenditure, what is going on, and then only people respect. Then only you can be a successful leader. So, and also leaders must know to take decision. Whenever problem come, whatever new things, he has to take decision confidently. Failure or success, he has to take his responsibility. This is the way you have to develop. So if you want to become a good leader, and also one thing I am remembering, so your personality is very important for a leader. So you develop your personality. And health also. You have to eat well, good food, and do exercise. Not only that, your personality, you always have to move with the people with a smiling face. You have to develop your relationship, and you have to be trained to manage the situation any times, and you are able to get the support of your subordinate and all the people. Then only you can be a perfect leader. And also keep it in mind, you have to read a lot of book to update your knowledge. Not only that, read the successful leaders biography. Always read that. New books, new knowledge. You update your knowledge and be a perfect and strong leader, and people will obey you. Always you move with all the people with a smiling face and be a good leader. Thank you.